Old model wooden dining tables are not just functional pieces of furniture, they carry a sense of history and craftsmanship. From traditional designs to rustic styles, these tables can enhance the aesthetic of any dining space while providing a warm and inviting atmosphere. Early beginnings, wooden tables have been used for centuries, with the earliest examples dating back to ancient civilizations. Tables were often simple, utilitarian pieces. Medieval and Renaissance periods. During the medieval period, tables were typically large, heavy, and made from oak. They often featured intricate carvings and were used in grand dining halls. The Renaissance brought more ornate designs, with tables reflecting the artistic styles of the time. 18th and 19th centuries. The 18th century saw the rise of styles like Queen Anne and Chippendale, characterized by elegance and craftsmanship. By the 19th century, industrialization allowed for mass production of furniture, making wooden dining tables more accessible to the general public. Styles of old model wooden dining tables. Farmhouse table. Description: known for its rustic charm, a farmhouse table typically features a sturdy construction and a simple design, often made from reclaimed wood. Use: perfect for casual dining and gatherings. These tables create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Drop leaf table. Description: this design features hinged leaves that can be raised or lowered, making it versatile for small spaces. Use: ideal for apartments or dining areas that need flexibility. It can accommodate different numbers of diners. Pedestal table. Description: with a central support column and no legs, pedestal tables offer more legroom and are often seen in traditional styles. Use: great for formal dining settings. They can be paired with elegant chairs. Extending table. Description: these tables can be extended to accommodate more guests, usually featuring hidden leaves that slide out. Use: perfect for families or those who fr. How to use and incorporate old wooden dining tables. Setting the scene. Table linens. Use tablecloths, runners, or placemats to add color and texture. Vintage linens can enhance the antique feel. Centerpieces. Incorporate fresh flowers, candles, or decorative bowls as centerpieces to create an inviting dining atmosphere. Mixing styles. Combine an old wooden dining table with modern chairs to create an eclectic look. This contrast adds visual interest and character to your dining space. Functional decor. Use the table for more than just dining. It can serve as a workspace, a craft station, or a display area for family photos or art. Seasonal decor. Change decor according to seasons or holidays. Use themed centerpieces or table settings to keep the dining area fresh and inviting. Caring for old wooden dining tables. Regular cleaning. Dust the table frequently with a soft, dry cloth. For deeper cleaning, use a slightly damp cloth with mild soap, avoiding excessive moisture. Avoiding damage, use coasters for drinks and placemats for hot dishes to prevent scratches and heat damage. Avoid placing heavy items directly on the surface for long periods. Conditioning the wood, apply a quality wood conditioner or beeswax periodically to nourish the wood and enhance its natural luster. This can also help protect the finish. Repairing scratches, for minor scratches, use a wood filler or a matching marker. For deeper damage, consider professional refinishing to restore the table's appearance. Standard dining table sizes, rectangular dining tables, small rectangular tables, size, 48 to 60 inches long, 30 to 36 inches wide, seating, typically seats 4 to 6 people, use, ideal for small dining areas or breakfast nooks, medium rectangular tables, size, 60 to 72 inches long, 36 to 48 inches wide, seating, seats 6 to 8 people, use. Suitable for larger dining rooms or family gatherings, large rectangular tables, size, 72 to 96 inches long, 48 to 60 inches wide, seating, seats 8 to 12 people, use, great for formal dining settings or larger families, round dining tables, small round tables, size, 30 to 48 inches in diameter, seating, seats 2 to 4 people, use, perfect for small spaces or intimate dining. Medium round tables, size, 48 to 60 inches in diameter, seating, seats 4 to 6 people, use, a versatile option for various dining areas, large round tables, size, 60 to 72 inches in diameter, seating, seats 6 to 10 people, use, ideal for larger dining rooms, allowing for easy conversation, square dining tables, small square tables, size, 36 to 48 inches on each side. Seating, seats 4 people, use, works well in small dining areas or kitchens, medium square tables, size, 48 to 60 inches on each side, seating, seats 6 people, use, good for families or small gatherings, large square tables, size, 60 to 72 inches on each side, seating, seats 8 to 10 people, use, suitable for spacious dining areas. Considerations when choosing a dining table size, space availability, measure your dining area to ensure the table fits comfortably. Allow for at least 36 inches of clearance around the table for movement. Number of diners, consider how many people you typically host. Choose a size that accommodates your family and any guests. Style and shape, rectangular tables are great for larger groups, while round tables foster conversation. Square tables offer a modern look and work well in smaller spaces. Functionality, think about the table's primary use. If you often host gatherings, a large